Hello, my topic is what is corrosion and what are the types of the corrosion. So, I have prepared a lecture regarding this corrosion. So, we have to know first, we have to know about the corrosion. Before it, we have to move towards the periodic table, and in the periodic table, we show that I'm showing that here that there are the D block elements. Most of the elements are the metals, and the metal are exist in nature in the combined form as oxides, carbonates, sulfides, chlorides, and sulfates. So in these metals, few metals are like silver and platinum. These are the noble metals. They cannot be further react with anyone else. So these metals in nature exist in the form of mineral, and the ores are that the minerals that can be converted into metal economically, that is called ore. So basically, in the mineral ores, after the metallurgy, after the conversion into the metallic state, the mineral converted into pure metal, and there is some extraction processes. It may be many types. So like that, for the process of iron, we required large amount of energy, and we will get the pure state of metal. But when this metallic state, pure metallic state, having the more activity in comparison to the mineral ore, that is the unstable pure form, and mineral ore is the stable impure or combined form. So greater is the amount of energy required to separate the metal from its mineral, so greater will be the tendency of the metal to convert back to its natural state. So as the nature in nature, when these metal comes into the contact of water, air, then it will further corrode, and the metallic state further converted into the mineral ores. So that is the whole process is known as the corrosion. So the metal corrosion can be defined further as mineral ores by using metallurgy converted into metallic state, and through corrosion converted into mineral ores further. So corrosion is the process of deterioration, degradation of metal through an unwanted chemical electrochemical attack by its environment. So these corrosion can be occurred more in metals, less in polymers and ceramics. Further, so we can say that corrosion is the process of deterioration, degradation of metal through an unwanted chemical or electrochemical attack by its environment. So further, through corrosion, loss of useful property due to corrosion, and weakening of metallic material due to the loss of cross-sectional areas, loss of properties such as malleability, ductility, decaying of metal surfaces, and further example of corrosion like that, rusting of iron by the reaction during the metallic exposure to the air as well as water. The layer of reddish scale of the ferrous oxide covered it. Formation of green film on the surface of copper. Green layer is basically the cupric carbonate and cupric hydroxide, and this is good for our health. And the formation of black coating on the surface of silver, that is called tarnishing of silver. So now types of corrosion is that it can be defined into four types: dry corrosion or chemical corrosion, wet corrosion or electrochemical corrosion, soil corrosion, and other forms. So first we these are the four types of basic four types of corrosion, and the further these four types of corrosion further subdivided into dry corrosion that can be occurred by oxygen, by gases, and by liquid matters. Wet corrosion that can be galvanic, pitting, ceramic, waterline, stress, concentration cell, and soil corrosion is just corrosion due to the soil. And the other forms erosion, intergranular, and microbiological. Thank you.